Hello all, and today's topic is not really a cam. Meanwhile, I was recording these tutorials, I managed to acquire additional EtherCAT card. And up till now I had complete 2 sets with 2 motors, 2 drives, 2 cable sets, but I did not have an EtherCAT card, and luckily I found one on eBay for decent amount of money. I didn't pay it too much. And now I'm testing it and it looks like it's working. Also, my opinion is that it's much better to show you when we have 2 physical drives, the actual reaction and how it's performing directly on the shaft of the motor, whatever we do in our program when using SoftMotion. Now let's focus on today's topic, and this is going to be adding additional drive, configuring the axis, also startup list from the drive, and then switching completely everything, also the code, and do a small test. Now let's get started. First thing, we go to our Raspberry, we scan for it, and we make it active. Then we go to our EtherCAT master, one click, then right click and scan for device. Now I already connected it, this new drive, and now we have 2 drives. We select on a new one and we just click copy to project. Now we need to change the name and we will call it immediately master. Enter, then we press OK to IC object, double click on our axis. We will again set it to modulo, scaling, we will do 360. That's it for configuring our axis. Now let's go to the drive, startup parameters, and let's open a previous drive which we already configured, and we see that we have here additional parameters, so let's add this. Okay, now that we added also our startup parameters, we are set with our drive and with our axis. Let's first close these 2 drives. We can delete our virtual drive in SoftMotion axis pool. So we click delete, and now we immediately have some error. Now what we will do, let's open Motion FBs. Let's click on virtual, Control F, replace, and immediately it asks us master. Why? Because I already tested it just to be sure that it's working. And then we select entire project. Now this will change almost everywhere virtual to a master. We will see not really perfectly, but it will do a great deal of the job for us, even in a trace, even in visualization. So let's click replace all. And as we can see, it's finished with slight changes to our looking. So let's push this, for example, back to the line. And again, we have some error. Now here we have this B master, and this is actual input. This was actual B virtual. That's why it's changed. But now it looks like we do not have any compiling errors. Yeah, we compiled this successfully, and let's try to log in. So far so good. Let's run, and let's immediately open our multi-axis control. Communication started, and we have our drives. Now on the small screen you can see 2 motors and not really fixed correctly. I have to do something with it, maybe to push them together or something, but from now on we will just see the motors, and let's try to enable them first. 1 second, maybe you hear that click because the slave is now using the motor with a holding brake. Let's execute set position. As you can see, one important thing, we execute set position to our axis, but the motors are not moving. This is going to be very useful in next video. this looks fine. We are, as you can already see in our testing phase, MC came in. Let's put velocity 50, acceleration, deceleration, and let's run. And our motors are moving. Let's see the trace. Even in a trace, master is changed. Download trace. And as we can see, all is okay. Let's make a test with exactly the same thing that we changed in a previous video to switch a cam. So now we should be able to see cam switching after the next end of profile. Yes, here it is. And on video you see that the slave motor is going back. Let's switch it back. And now it should continue. Yes. And that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.